Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the LG Smart Monitor and I'm going to tell the where can easily find the user guide for this monitor straight in the monitor. If you don't have any PC or something like that near you, you have the only phone and you don't want to search the internet by yourself, you can find the user guide directly in the monitor. To do so, at first click the gear icon on your remote or click the gear icon here in the top left corner. Now we have to click the gear icon once again. Here now we have to scroll down to support. Now, as you can see, the second option is user guide. We can click on that and our user guide is now loading. Here we have the getting started with LG webOS, how to operate monitor, absent content, connecting external devices, making the most of smart monitor, etc. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.